Hey, what's up, gang? In this video, we're gonna show you a tip that you can use to variate your whip. It's gonna be how to use a rock and go in a whip, and it actually came out of a video entitled 11 Whips That You Need to Know for West Coast Swing, which we will share at the end of the video. But let's take a look at how we can use a rock and go to level up our game on the social dance floor while dancing a basic whip. All right, so the final one, the bonus, is a whip with a
rock and go.
So like we said before, if you know an inside turn and an outside turn, you can take all these patterns, add inside turns and outside turns, and get an unlimited amount of patterns. All right, so like I said, you can add the inside and outside turns to all these patterns. You can also add a rock and go to the end of them and come up with a ton more patterns. So if we did a basic whip, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Normally we'd anchor step. Instead, we're gonna go rock and go into a move anchor step. So we did it from the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. So just to show you, Megan, pick a whip from that pattern. We have them written down right there.
Okay.
Pick one. Just pick it. Tell me what it is. It's not
Same side whip.
Same side whip. So it's a same side whip with a rock and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, rock and go, inside turn, off you go. Chris, pick inside or outside? Outside. Outside turn. So we're gonna dance a same side whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, let's figure this out. Let's go. Same side whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Does that work?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, what if we added a rock and go to it? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and
Now
12.
we're just making stuff up.
All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast Swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast Swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.